To change the ribbon in an IDP Smart 30 printer, first open the lid by pressing the button on top of the printer and lifting it. Then take hold of the ribbon cassette and remove it from the printer, being sure to avoid the print head as you do so. The ribbon spindles click out from one side and then the ribbon can be lifted out. Roll any used ribbon onto the take-up spindle, which is labelled on the cassette itself. Take the new ribbon and slot in the spindles as shown before pressing them into place until you hear a click. Place the cassette back into the printer, ensuring that the part labelled with top is facing up and is at the front. You can then close the printer lid by lowering it down and pressing until there is a click.